Welcome to the Competence FBOVS303. Prepare meat, poultry, and egg dishes. In this session, we'll be focusing on learning outcome 1. Prepare meat dishes. Let's dive into the key topics we'll be exploring today. First, let's outline the topics. 1. Selection of meat ingredients, tools, and equipment. 2. Application of preliminary preparations for meat dishes. 3. Cooking guidelines for meat dishes. 4. Application of cooking methods for meat dishes. 5. Presentation of meat dishes. Now, let's explore each topic in detail. A selection of meat ingredients, tools, and equipment. When selecting meat ingredients, it's essential to consider various types like beef, poultry, pork, lamb, and seafood, assessing factors such as freshness and quality. Quality indicators include color, odor, and texture. Preparation tools for meat include a boning knife, filleting knife, meat bat, mixing bowls, gastronome containers and cutting boards, pots, pans, weighing scale, thermometer, and meat forks. Selection factors for these tools involve durability, ease of use, and compatibility with preparation tasks. Quality materials like stainless steel ensure longevity and hygiene, while ergonomic designs enhance comfort and efficiency. Choosing the right tools is crucial for achieving desired results and ensuring safe and efficient meat preparation. Application of preliminary preparations for meat dishes. The application of preliminary preparations for meat dishes involves several crucial steps to ensure optimal flavor, texture, and cooking results. Measuring or portioning meat helps control serving sizes and ensures even cooking. Trimming involves removing excess fat, skin, or gristle to enhance the dish's appearance and reduce unnecessary calories. Deboning and filleting are techniques to remove bones from meat cuts or fish, respectively, making them more convenient to eat and allowing for versatile cooking methods. Cutting the meat into uniform pieces ensures even cooking and presentation. Blanching involves briefly immersing meat in boiling water, enhancing color, texture, and flavor. Marinating meat involves soaking it in a seasoned liquid to tenderize and infuse flavors. Trussing is the process of tying meat with kitchen twine to maintain its shape during cooking. These preliminary preparations are essential for optimizing the taste and presentation of meat dishes. Cooking guidelines for meat dishes. The application of cooking methods for meat dishes involves utilizing both moist and dry heat techniques to achieve desired flavors and textures. 1. Moist heat methods. Stewing is a method of gently simmering meat in a flavorful liquid over low heat. Chef Joseph starts by dicing the goat meat into small portions. Following that, he sears the meat in a pot to elevate its taste and texture. Afterward, he introduces aromatic ingredients like onions, garlic, and herbs to the pot. He then adds sufficient liquid such as broth or wine to submerge the meat entirely, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Braising goat meat involves searing it before simmering it in liquid. Chef Joseph sears the meat in a hot pan with oil until golden brown. After removing the meat, he adds onions, carrots, and celery to the pan. Once softened, he deglazes with broth or wine to scrape brown bits. The seared meat is returned to the pot, partially submerged in liquid for simmering. Boiling meat entails cooking it in either water or broth over high heat. In the case of boiling goat meat, Chef Joseph places the meat into a pot and covers it with water or broth. To enhance the meat's flavor during the cooking process, he introduces aromatics like onions, garlic, and bay leaves. Afterward, Chef Joseph brings the liquid to a boil and then lowers the heat to a gentle simmer. 2. Dry heat methods. Roasting involves baking meat in an oven at high heat, fully or partially exposed. Chef Joseph seasons a mutton leg with herbs, spices, and olive oil, then places it on a roasting rack in a pan. After preheating the oven, he roasts the meat until the desired doneness, occasionally basting it with juices for moisture. This method creates a caramelized exterior, sealing in juices and yielding tender, flavorful meat. Grilling involves cooking meat over an open flame or on a grill pan. Chef Joseph marinated goat meat cubes and vegetables before skewering them onto metal or wooden skewers. After preheating the grill pan, he cooks the skewers, turning them occasionally until the meat is cooked through and develops grill marks. Presentation of meat dishes. The presentation of meat dishes is pivotal for a captivating dining experience, employing tools like plates, platters, and garnishing techniques to enhance visual appeal. Presentation guidelines ensure meticulous arrangement. Plating involves skillful arrangement of meat and accompaniments, while portioning maintains consistency in serving sizes. Garnishing introduces vibrant colors and textures, enriching the overall presentation. Serving at the optimal time and temperature ensures maximum enjoyment, resulting in a visually stunning presentation. In summary, we've covered the selection of meat ingredients, tools and equipment, preliminary preparations for meat dishes, cooking guidelines, application of cooking methods, and presentation techniques for meat dishes. Now, let's test your understanding. Why is it important to consider doneness when cooking meat dishes? What are some examples of preliminary preparations for meat dishes? How do presentation guidelines contribute to the appeal of meat dishes? Think about these questions to reinforce your learning. Thank you for joining us in this session. Happy cooking!